What up, y'all? Y'all already know what it is. Shotgun CJ here with another full moon feature unboxing. Y'all already know what it is. This time, we don't got a Puppet Master puppet. We got actually not the Ginger Dead Man, but the Gingerweed Man. And I'm super excited to unbox this for real because that movie it's like a series, I guess, and it's really trippy and super funny. It's not scary or anything, but it's still like pretty good, like from what I've seen and stuff. And he's in a couple of the Evil Bong movies and stuff, so he's a pretty good full moon feature staple by now. So I'm ready to unbox him and see what's up. They said limited quantities, so I had to jump on that joint. So yeah, let's get it. Alright. They always come in this super long, trippy box, like they're in like their own little coffin or something. It's trippy, yo. I love it though. Alright, here we go. I'm for real excited. I don't know what to expect at all. Like, oh, here's the paper. Oh, I see a stand already. Oh, yo, this is gonna be trippy. What the heck? This is a weird one. Hold up. The Vault free gift. Okay, bro. This looks... A wealth of fear awaits you in the vault. Leprechaun makes special guest appearance. I want me gold. I'm just kidding. I wish though, but yeah. Yo, this one is wrapped trippy. What the heck? It's like weird shaped, like looks like I'm about to open a vase or something. What the heck? Yo. There's no authenticity certificate, but it's all good. We already know what it is. It's full moon, so. Alright, yo, this is trippy. Get the scissors. One down. Two down. Oh god, I'm scared. What am I gonna look at? Yo! What the heck, bro? Okay. Yo, this is trippy. What the heck? And he's like squishy. What? Bro, this is and he's heavy too though. Oh my god, this is actually dope. Like, and he's wearing like some I would be wearing, like for real. Like, yo, he's got a fresh tee on. What the heck?
Shit.
Yo, he's squishy. What the heck, bro? I don't know. I don't know what that is, but he's squishy. And that's trippy, yo. Damn. Red eyes. He's actually sketchy. He looks like he's straight out of like a tiki hut with those sandals going on. Yo, looks like he walked straight out of the movie. Yo. This is my homie now. Yo. Well, shout out to Full Moon and Charles Van for this entry into the diary with this joint. Dang. This is awesome. His little knit beanie. Alright. Look at these little sandals. Yeah, you already know. I'm super happy with this. That is so crazy. Like, super good job on it, for real. And, yeah, I'll have to see if there's more videos that I can watch with this. For real, though. So, shout out Paul. Shotgun CJ out. Y'all already know what it is. Chill.
So don't be shy, just pass that joint, let's all get high.